Okay, guys. I'm sorry.
Hello.
You're gonna wait that the seller go away. That's it. I move on. The last class I explained that it sets some priority for every single operation in Excel. And actually, every time that you talk in computer language, you're gonna have to present this priority. For example, in the first step, we can find exponentation, and then in the same priority, multiplication and division, and finally, in the same priority, addition and subtraction. According to this, I have to express and demonstrate the priority of this statement. For example, we have an addition, other addition, and one multiplication. What is first? Easy. I go to my table, and the multiplication, the multiplication is here, and addition is lower. That means and that means that first I have to resolve the multiplication. In this case, I put that this operation is first, the number one. And then you can resolve the addition. Why I put 2 in the addition?
Mister,
Tell me.
mister, una pregunta, nosotros tenemos que resolver ese problema.
Of course, this part is the example, and you have to resolve the rest of them. In the same way I am doing. For that reason, I'm explaining this. And then that you resolve the multiplication, you can resolve this addition or another one. Why?
You will send a guide of it in the class.
Wait. Repeat again, please.
That the work will be on a guide or in this class.
No, this is gonna be the guide, because this video I can upload. The last class I couldn't do it because I had trouble with the audio of the video. But in this time I am recording this video, and I promise it's gonna be in a good quality. So you're gonna have this video to evidence to study, and I will send you this table in order to resolve these statements. What is gonna be what you're going to do first? Make the priority, describe the priority. In this case, who is talking to me? Who's talking? Okay, guys, let me finish, and then you can start with your question.
Mister, no se ve nada. Nada más se ve su cara.
Because I stopped sharing my screenshot. Don't worry. Give me 1 second. Okay, again. In this statement, the first step is the multiplication according to my priority table. And then I can take or this addition or another one, no matter the order. Why? Because have the same priority. So it's the same if I start for this one or for this one. And finally, the solution. In this space, you're gonna put this statement, but you have to give the instruction to Excel that resolve that statement. How to do it? Easy. Only you have to add the equal symbol to describe, to tell Excel, please resolve this. Look that in this, okay, sorry. Look like in this space, there is no equal. But in this one, there is it. There is the equal. Other thing to have, okay, 1 second, please. Okay. Other thing that you have to be careful in this case, how you can express this statement in Excel language. Easy. The fraction is actually an addition. For that reason, I can type something like that. First, is going to put the exponentation, and then I type the division. You see? And that's it. Now let me 1 second. It's a really big number. For that reason, don't show me all, but I can resolve that just with one click. Okay. Oh, okay, that is the answer for this statement. You see, it's really easy, and you just have to pay attention to be careful with the priority and how to Excel understand the arithmetic statement, and that's it. Now, who has questions? Nobody? I'm sorry. Let me put your audio on. Okay.
Mr. What we need to conclude to get the priority.
Okay, wait.
No entendí nada prácticamente.
Wait. We're gonna do the following. I mute all of you. Only the person who put your hands up is able to talk. In this case, María. Hello.
Me dice, no entendí bien el tema. No, o sea, no entiendo qué hay que hacer.
Mr. What we need to do to conclude the priority of the problem.
Okay, guys. Again, pay attention. Pay attention. This is the statement, the arithmetic statement, right? How I know the priority? Through my table. This table I will give you, so don't worry. In this order, what is first? Exponentation. Then, in the same priority, multiplication and division. How to know it? For the numbers. If you see these two are in the same priority, have the same numbers, but exponentation is going first than the rest of the operations. Got it? Well, according to this table, let me modify this here. According to this priority, I can resolve this. I can describe the priority of this statement. What that means, I'm going to sell it for what part I'm going to start this trouble. If I want to resolve this statement, I have to start for this operation, the multiplication with this number. Why? Because the multiplication is going first than addition and subtraction. Then once I get the result of this part, I can add this result with this addition or this addition, no matter the order with these two additions. Why? Because it's the same. It's the same priority. You can start for this part or for another one.